Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Exercise 1C, question number 2. A rectangle has the sides of the length x centimeter and 3x minus 2 centimeter. The area of the rectangle is 63 centimeters square. Find the value of x correct to three significant figures. So now the first one is solution. So here we have the rectangle means the two opposite sides are equal. We can draw properly the rectangle there with the two opposite sides are equal and the side length is x centimeter. So this is the x centimeter and the 3x. So we can consider the 3x minus 2 centimeter as this and the side is x centimeter. As we know that the opposite sides are equal, so here at the bottom one it's a 1. So now the area of the rectangle is given 63 centimeters. So let's solve it. The first one, area of the rectangle, REC means rectangle, is length time width. So the area is given, we will substitute the value there, which is 39 centimeters square equals to length time width. It would be here the 3x minus 2 into x, and now centimeter and centimeter would be centimeter square. This will cancel with this value. So we have 63 equals to, we will expand the bracket means multiply. So 3x with x it becomes 3x square minus 2x. Now we will rearrange the term on one side of equal. It means that we will shift the 63 on the side. There is no sign with 63, it will be positive. So when we will shift on the other side, so it becomes negative. Minus 2x we will keep same and minus 63 equals to 0. We got the quadratic form. So now we will use here the quadratic formula to simplify it. So as we know that the quadratic formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So what is the a? The value with the x square is a, the value with the x is b, and the value this constant is c. So we will write the values first there and then we will substitute in the formula. So now the general form of the quadratic expression, which is ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So now by using this general form, I got the value in this equation. So a is equals to 3, then b equals to minus 2, and c equals to minus 63. So by substituting in formula, substituting, so we will get here x is equals to minus and minus 2, then plus minus. So here we will take the square of the minus 2, which is the value of b, minus 4, a is 3, and the c is minus 63. At the bottom one we have 2 into 3. So now x is equals to minus minus plus, it would be the 2, and then plus minus, the square of the negative sign always would be positive, and 2 square is 4, then minus minus plus. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 63 is 756. Then divided by 6. After that, x is equals to minus 2 plus minus, it would be 760 divided by 6. Now we got again the two values there. So one time we will write with positive and one time we will write with negative. So it would be here x is equals to minus 2, then plus 760, root 760 divided by 2. By using calculator we will simplify it. Root 760 is equals to 27.57 divided by 2. We are doing the positive solution for positive. So here it would be x is equals to, we will subtract and then we will get the answer divided by 2. So it becomes a plus and plus 2 because minus minus makes plus plus. So it would be 4.93. The first value we got by taking the positive solution. Now by using the negative solution, we will write the root 76 with negative. So x is equals to 2 minus root 760 divided by 2. So root 760 would be equals to 2 minus 27.57 divided by 2. So now x would be equals to minus 4.261, the second value of the x we got. So the negative value we will reject, neglected this value. Why we will neglect it? Because we have to find the value of x. So x is the length of this quadratic equation. Quadratic equation are x is the length of this rectangle. So length can't be negative. That's why we will neglect this. Why? Length can't be negative. Be negative. So now it means that the x value we got, x is equals to 4.93, and they were saying you have to write down three significant figures. So 4, 9 and 3, all of them are the significant.